Hi everyone, in this video we are going to find how many roots does this equation have, and I just want to remember you again that our aim is not to find all the roots of this equilibrium. Let's just start with the another simple problem, but we will use the same method while solving our main problem. Let's start with the equilibrium x is equal to x squared. Actually, we don't need to find the roots in order to say that how many roots does this equation have. And we can just approach the problem from the another perspective. Let's just draw the sketch the graphs for each function at different sides of the equilibrium. First x, which is this one going through the coordinate center, and x squared will be like this. As you see, the this problem will have two roots, which are the intersection points of these two functions, which are at the different sides of this equilibrium sign, and we can approach the problem with the same way. I know it's a little bit complex problem, but I think we can find it. Cosine x is equal to x divided by 1998. Let's draw the diagram for the graph for the left hand side, and it will be the function of cosine x, and I want to just increase the length of this line, x axis, and this is y axis, x axis. I need for this one, and let's write cosine x gets 1 when it is equal to cosine x is equal to 0, and the maximum the least value it will get will be equal to -1, and we'll start this way, continues this way, and the same in a repetitive manner it will continue. Let's just imagine it's continuing. And what about x divided by 1998? When it is 0, it will get 0. It's a linear function. And when our value, x value is, let's assume that it is 1998, it will get 1. And we just should connect these two lines. Let's just use another color for it. Let's just assume this is a straight line. I couldn't sketch it very properly, but let's just assume a straight line, and it just connects with the point which is equal to 1. Yes. And in order to find the roots, we can simplify the problem, and we will just write, for example, x divided by 4. We can write x divided by 4, and or we can write just x divided by 2p pi, which will make our work easier, because the x values here is not the degrees, is not angle values, they are in radians, what we use here. When x is equal to 2p, this is 0p, and this will be equal to 2p pi, and when it is 2 pi, it will be here, and our number of roots will be equal to 2. And when it is x divided by 4 pi, our function will come till this point, and our number of roots will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, which are the intersection points, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video. And in order to, as we saw, if it is 2 pi, we will get 2 roots. If it is 4 pi, we will get 4 roots. And as you see, here's very interesting correlation, because when we just draw this cosine x graph, we see that in order to complete the one rotation, we should come 2 pi to just come to the point where we just started in terms of y values. And therefore, when we divide 1998 divided by 2 pi, we should find and when multiplied by 2, because when it is 2 pi, we divide 2 by 1 and multiply it by 2, we will get the number of roots here. And what we will get here will be equal to 317.99 multiplied by 2. As we mentioned, we multiplied by 2 because when it is 2 pi, we have 2 roots, and we found how many 2 pi's we have in number 1998 and multiplied by 2, and this will give us 635.9, which means we will have 635 roots here. You can say that why don't we just consider 636? It's almost equal, but at the end, when our value is 1998, our linear function will be equal to 1, but as our rotation was not completed, we don't have enough 2 pi's. We will not, our cosine x function will not reach to this value, and will not reach to this value because we didn't complete the rotation, period time, and therefore number of the roots for this equilibrium will be equal to 635. This is the end of video. I think you could learn something. If you liked, please subscribe to my channel and comment to the video. And I think you can write your own suggestions too if you have easier solutions, faster solution than this one. Thank you.